Hello everyone, welcome to StreamLadder's YouTube channel. Ready to turn your streams into engaging YouTube Shorts and schedule them with no effort? YouTube Shorts are perfect for grabbing attention. They help you reach more people with short, engaging highlights from your longer content. And with StreamLadder, you can convert and schedule them in just a few clicks. First, upload your clip from Twitch, YouTube, or Kick, or upload it from your computer. So next, let's choose a layout that you can also preview here on the right. And with StreamLadder Silver and Gold, your layouts are fully customizable. Now we'll trim the video. Just drag the handles to find the best moments. Want to show two parts of the clip? Split it up to highlight your face cam and your gameplay. For more advanced edits, StreamLadder's paid version, Silver and Gold, lets you adjust the camera position, add custom text like a title, add stickers and GIFs, and even AI-powered captions to make your video stand out. Once you're done editing, you can easily connect your social media here and directly post onto YouTube Shorts. Otherwise, you can also schedule your content and use the content publisher to keep your content organized for the next days. So that's it for today's video. We've turned a long video into a YouTube short in just a few steps. If you're looking to level up your content, give StreamLadder a chance. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tag us in your video. See you in the next one.